Gore seswa se dirwa jang. So gore seswa se nne monate a ka bangwe batho ba se dira o santse gore o simolola ka go kgaolela manteng sentle.
o le ko kare wa segolo gore a ke metsi a teng a kgona go tsena ga gare ga sone se butswa e ra o seswa sa go tsenya dingwelo kgante dikgerana ma teng o kare ga ya swega mene o kare e batla go swega
so o kare wa golo gore nama teng e butswe sele
gore e butswa hela tota hela e re ha o e swaibe swega hela tota e itwala gore mo e leng gore ga e le disuma hela ga e butswe sentle ga o e swa e kgona go gana go swega e sa wena.
That is what we call our traditional delicacy here in Botswana. This is meat that has been prepared, as you can see in the video. The man who is doing this thing is cutting it into thin pieces so that it can cook very well. And then you boil it with water. That's it. You just let it boil in a black pot, like you see here. The black pot that's there. You just let it boil. Usually just allow it to boil until it's really cooked nicely, and all you do is just to put salt in there. Make sure that the salt is nicely put in there. You allow it to cook nicely. As you can see down there, you can see the juices. All of the juices are there. Don't take the water out. There are some that take the water out and they put it in sample or something else. No, don't do that. Let it cook in its own water, and then after it's cooked nicely, usually traditional they take a stick like that one that has been cleared and you stamp on it until it's nice. That's how it goes. Enjoy seswa. Go din tsung go ya lot units go ya sona seswa o ka ba tima tse dintsi seswa. Hey ja, thank you.